Hello traders, this is Moy Banks from Moy Banks Trading. In this video I will show you how I made about 10% of my account this week only, and this video will going to show you the exact strategy I use to make this 10% a week, and I'll break down most of my trades, most big trades that most of the money is being made, and I'll show you the graphics from the MetaTrader as well. Okay, let's go down to the matrix, then I'll show you the strategy. So this is the matrix. As you can see, I use CD index, and if you go to the, I do quite a few trades. Most of the trades are on NAS100 and German 40, and they are mostly scalping, and some of the forex pairs are intraday and swing trades. Okay, so as you can see, two trades still open, which are negative at the moment, so they are still going on, and then profit and loss is $735. Balance is like 6,500, around $600-500. Okay, as you can see, the graphs is showing that gradual increase in the overall trend, and there was a big dip as well, which was around $100. Okay, profit factor is almost 2.93, and total trade taken the whole week was 61, and this profitable days 36, about 60%. The win rate is 60, and most the profitable trades are $68, losing trades $71. Profitable trades are 31 and losing trades 15. Okay, consecutive win is 8 and consecutive loss is 4, which is double. And consecutive profit is $317, consecutive loss is $112, which is more than double. Consecutive win 3, consecutive loss is 2. So as you can see, the profit factor is the game changer is 2.93, which you're supposed to look for. So almost 3 times the losing trades. Okay, let's move on to the trades that I took in and break down each of the trades. Most of the trades are taken as I told you before, NAS100 and German 40. So this is the one that I lost biggest number, which is $71. I'll show you where it's been taken. So this is the one that was I actually completely ignored this resistance. That's the reason that I lost, and even though I recognized my mistakes in the analysis, I straight away went into the long position, closed the position, and then went into short after that. And as you can see, these are the short trades, and short trades are taken after this support, breach of support, as you can see. So short trades taken straight away, and there was like 4 shorts been taken. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 shorts been taken, and as you can see, after this breach, I took the short. My entry was long. There was a reason that you can say that this was the resistance. That's why it failed. But the reason for entry was this support. Okay, so as I thought, this support was created and price came down to retest the support and went back up, and I ignored. I think I was doing something else, so price went there and straight away collapsed. It went, and I was in profit about for 35 bucks in each trade, and then it collapsed. And that was my mistake, and it didn't occur again in any of these trades ever. So these two trades, as you can see, the four trades went my way. I lost $71 and gained 200. And the next big trade was next day was in NAS100. So you go to NAS100. I'll show you this 60 NAS100. As you can see, this was a great trade, and I acted uh, straight away when price moved back to this. So I'll move to 1 hour time frame. As you can see, you will see what was the reason for my entry. I drew this support, as you can see in here, this support being acting this resistance acting as a support. This support broke this back, went back again, and I know that this will gonna act as support again. So went to the smaller time frame, as you can see, on 5-minute time frame, and my entry was after this small resistance. As you can see, that's every red candle on top of this red candle, it went up to green candle. This is our support being created. So I entered this, and as soon as I entered this trade, it went up and straight away it collapsed. But I still hold on to this trade, and my stop loss was below this. Okay, so I went in there and I exited around this resistance. And there was like a couple of trades. I think two trades in this. One I entered after this around this area. It's a bit smaller. So that was $50, around $50. So went back to the next trade. That was NAS next day. This was based on the momentum trade. As you can see, I have a strategy is, so one is based on support resistance, another one is on momentum. As you can see, 1 hour time frame, what happened is, as you can see, we have a trendline breaker. Okay, so price went to test this trend line, or if you can see, I have a EMA as well. That EMA could crossed over. I know that this is a bullish signal, and I enter after the break of this red candle. So this was my entry, and my target was this high. So that's the one. As you can see, I have unfortunately I entered only one trade, and that was around $70. And then there was another loss as well. As you can see, it's around $50. So this was the one so I enter a short position, bit premature, because I thought market would react bit good early. So this was my anti area of short. I enter short again after a couple of minutes later around this area again. As you can see, we have two shorts, actually three shorts in this area. And yeah, this was my short as well, from here to here. Okay. Okay, now sell another one. It's in same area from here to this area, targeting this area of resistance. As you can see, the resistance. This is the resistance. Price went to the resistance. I entered straight away. So it's very easy setups. Anyone can master these setups. And next day went in German index, and I had a couple of losses. One was the big, was $50, and this loss was, as you can see, why this was a loss. So the first bar, this green bar, is broke this area, and what happened is that I next candle came down and I entered long, and obviously my stop loss was below this, so it got stopped out. And then when it reversed again, I entered again because I know this is my EMA support, and also there is the support, as you can see, the support as well. I'll move this one to this area. This is the support area, and I should have placed my support. My stop loss is around 50 bucks, so that's why it got stopped out. And as soon as it started to bounce back from this area, I understand my mistakes. I entered 3 long, and as you can see, there's the long on from this area. There was 3 long, so there was like 150 bucks, where I lost 50 bucks and gained 150. And there was a couple of trades from Friday, from yesterday as well, from the NAS100. There was actually these are all German indexes, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and there was yeah, that's about it. And there was one couple of small trades from NAS100. You can see why 100 didn't work much. Went, sorry, that's the one. Sell. So I actually bought from here to here, and then I know that this will not gonna hold, so there was like 30 bucks. That's it. So my way of trading, as you can see, it's mostly scalping, and it got a couple of them very small trades, and some of them are 50 pips, 60 pips, and then I keep the losses small and let the profit run. That was the, other than only one trade was went over my stop loss, because I had a mental stop loss was on German 40, as I told you in the first trade, which was this trade. Oh, sorry, was in this trade. That's the one didn't work out, and rest of the trades actually worked out the way I planned. So okay, thank you guys. If you have any question, please feel free to comment and let me know you have any other questions regarding my strategy. Thank you guys. Bye.